Sri Lankan authorities locked down the central bank and shut the road leading to the capital's airport due to a bomb scare, as the country remains on high alert after Easter Sunday's attacks, which killed 359 people. Authorities also shut the entry road to Colombo's main airport after a suspicious vehicle was spotted at a car park. The road was reopened when the alert was declared a false alarm. Police say they have asked the people in Colombo to leave offices early in order to avoid the roads at rush hour in the face of fears that more bombers may be ready to strike. They also said 16 people were detained for questioning overnight, taking the number held since Sunday's devastating attacks to at least 76. London continues to experience delays and inconveniences due to the ongoing protests by environmental activists who glued themselves to the London Stock Exchange, blocked roads near the Bank of England, and protested outside banks. They say they are trying to force Britain to help avert what they say will soon be a climatic crisis. The Extinction Rebellion group turned their attention to London's financial district, with police arresting several protesters. The group says the protests will continue until the government acts. U.S. officials say that a French warship passed through the strategic Taiwan Strait this month. The move is rare for a vessel from a European country, especially in the light of the increased tensions with Beijing. The passage, which was confirmed by China, is a sign that U.S. allies are increasingly asserting freedom of navigation in international waterways near China. An official said the warship was shadowed by Chinese military. Diplomatic sources say that Vietnamese leader Nguyen Phu Trong has been suffering from an unspecified illness. Trong was admitted to the 108 Military Central Hospital in Hanoi, and Foreign Ministry spokeswoman Lee Thi Tong Hang said on Thursday that Trong's health had been affected by a heavy workload and changeable weather conditions. A new malaria vaccine has been rolled out in Malawi in an attempt to help fight against a deadly outbreak currently taking place in the country. The vaccine is called RTSS and acts against the deadly malaria parasite. The vaccine does not claim full protection from malaria and must be used alongside existing prevention methods.
These children in Malawi are receiving the world's first ever vaccine against malaria as part of an historic pilot program to tackle one of the deadliest diseases on the planet. The vaccine, known as RTSS, took 30 years to be developed. Passing through clinical trials, it's demonstrated that it can significantly reduce malaria in children.
So this is one additional tool that will help us control malaria in this country. And it has a potential to save so many lives and also prevent so many diseases. For example, if we roll out this malaria vaccine after the pilot phase, this vaccine has a potential of preventing 1 million cases.
China will hold naval exercises this week in another sign of the country's resilience to the U.S. military dominance in the region. The exercise will feature ships and submarines, along with fixed-wing aircraft, helicopters, and marine units. With your World Outside report, I am Leah Phillip for Primetime Caribbean.